everyone, it's me again. Well, my Pinecil has arrived and I thought I'd share it with you. This is the package that it came in. Pretty simple, Pine64. I got the BB2 model. Let's go ahead and open this up. Very simple packaging, nothing special. So we've got our handle with our screen and two buttons. We've kind of expected this based off of all the other reviews that we've seen. There's our static voltage, there's our breakout, input output, is the base mount barrel plug as well as type C. Now this came with a point, and based off a lot of the other reviews I ended up getting two additional ends fairly inexpensively. So let's go ahead and plug this in and get it started. There's my PinePower all set up. If I can get it in there. Here we go. All right, there's our boot screen. This is out of the box. I haven't done any updates, but as you know, this is the open source firmware that everybody's talking about out there. All the various settings, and obviously if I hit plus, it's going to go ahead and start heating up. Initially what I had noticed was that for some reason some of the temperatures weren't reflecting correctly or just wasn't heating up right, so I actually did a calibration and then restarted it and everything was fine. So as you can see, we're up about 380. It's going to hold. So let's go ahead and give this a try. I have pretty small hands and I found this thing to be very comfortable. I generally would hold it further down. Now granted, I do have the new silicone cable that's attached to it. It's actually hanging off the side of my chair, which is kind of dragging the back end. But I noticed if I put it on my desk, I don't have that issue, and control seems pretty simple. What I also liked about this was that it went into a sleep mode and then a standby mode. This is it going into its sleep mode, and as soon as you move it, it goes right back up to temp. Now this is some breakout work that I had lying around, just desoldering some of these connectors with some audio wires. Nothing very, very thick. There are tons of reviews out there that actually cover the performance. I decided I wouldn't go that route. I just kind of wanted to just see basically how it worked with the point that it came with. And although some people had some issues with the point, they said they really wouldn't use the point tip, I didn't find a lot of issues with it. Now granted, it could be because of just leveraging a very small gauge wire, but it definitely seemed to heat up fairly quickly. As you can see, this is the issue. It went into standby mode. Now I hit the plus, and it goes right back up to my set soldering temperature. Go ahead and pre-solder that tip. Now in no way, shape, or form am I an expert at soldering, so provide any comments that'll help me get a little bit better. But as you can see, I'm just kind of running down these two pieces of wire, and I got them connected fairly easily. I found the handle comfortable because I was working with a much larger plug-in model that actually the handle started to melt every time I turned it on, and it had a very, very short power cord. But I also purchased this stand from AliExpress while I was looking at new soldering irons, and I like this. It's got two spots with 2 additional tips. So obviously it's got that brass point cleaner, head cleaner, and it's got that grate holder, and it's actually got some weight to it. I don't know if it's I don't know what kind of material it is, like a Bakelite or something to that effect, but it worked out great. I hope you found this helpful. If you'd like to hear more, like and subscribe.